So this is Dodge's updated interior for the new 2025 Charger. So if you look right here, we got a new touchscreen, which I kind of like, but I wish they didn't put the iPad speedometer up there. One little detail that I like about this interior is this cool launch button. When you press on this, I guess that's how you start the car. I'm not too fond of the seats because they kind of look like BMW seats. And if I'm going to be sitting in a Dodge, I don't want to feel like I'm sitting in a BMW. SRT steering wheel looks pretty cool, but man, I hate touch buttons on a steering wheel, bro. Please keep physical buttons. Stop getting rid of physical buttons in a car. The ambient lighting is kind of cool, but it could definitely be toned down. If you can notice right there, I think the window up and down button is also touch button. If you also pay attention to the climate control over here, these are all little touch buttons. Bro, what is it with Dodge and these touch buttons all of a sudden? Only thing that I would personally keep from this interior is probably the middle touch screen, that cool little launch button, and I would just get rid of these touch buttons here, the touch buttons here, that iPad over there, bring back, you know, something else. And I guess the steering wheel is all right, just get rid of the touch buttons. Personally, I will always love these SRT seats. These have got to be like the best Mopar seats that are out there. They look good, they feel good. Just everything about these seats are amazing, man.